Hello everyone, my name is Davide, and in today's video I will show you a simple trick on how we can remove interactions among different visualizations in Power BI. So we know that in Power BI, once we create different visualizations, they will interact with each other. So if I click in any item of this table, for example, you will see that the related country will be filtered out in all the other visualizations or tables. Same it works if I click in any other table. So something like this. So if I want to remove these interactions, one way to accomplish this is to go through the format and then edit interactions. And then from here, we can remove or keep the interactions as applicable. So another way to do this that would save more time, in particular if we have many visualizations, would be to go through the options. So option settings, then options. It'll take a few seconds to load. And from here, under current file and query reduction, I can enable the disabling of the cross highlighting and filtering by default. So I'll enable it, click OK. So now if I click in any item of these tables, you will see that nothing else will be filtered out. So that's it. Thank you for watching.